Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to stake Celestia on Milky Way. It's easy to get this done. Please make sure you do your own research concerning staking your TIA tokens on any protocol. Now once you're on the Milky Way platform, by using our link in the description of the video, simply click on connect wallet and you'd be met with the prompt to collect your Kepler or Leap wallet. So for this video I'll be working with the Kepler wallet. So open up your Kepler wallet and you'd be met with the prompt to connect your Kepler wallet to the platform, which is Milky Way. So simply click on approve. And as you can see here, my Celestia wallet address is linked to the Milky Way platform. You can confirm this by heading over to the Kepler wallet. So make sure you have your Kepler wallet set up and some Celestia tokens inside, some TIA tokens inside. And once the Kepler wallet has opened up, as you can see here, I've got some TIA tokens. And if you're going to be staking on Milky Way, one thing you need to note is depending on how much you stake, there would be rewards. So as you can see here, I've got my TIA token. So all you need to do is make sure you're on this TIA network. Make sure you've got your TIA tokens here. So now with this in mind, head back, simply scroll down and put in the amount of TIA tokens you wish to stake. So for this, I'm going to be putting half of mine. As you can see here, the minimum stake is 0.1 TIA tokens. So depending on how much you have, you could easily stake your TIA tokens on the Milky Way platform and receive the expected airdrops, because there will be airdrops for Milky Way stakers. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can stake your Celestia on Milky Way, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.